We are celebrating the diversity within India. हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सब हैं भाई भाई, सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा।
Modi ji is discussing with Russia. Modi ji is discussing with Ukraine. Modi ji is discussing with USA, and he is in the center stage. Bharat is in center stage, the greatest nation of all.
After his Russia visit, PM Modi is on his Austria visit. Prime Minister Narendra Modi received a warm welcome in Austria with a choir singing India's national song, Vande Mataram, upon his arrival, marking the first visit by an Indian Prime Minister to the nation in 40 years. During his stay, PM Modi is scheduled to engage in substantial discussions with Austrian Chancellor Karl Nehammer and meet President Alexander Van der Bellen. He will also interact with Austrian CEOs and an Indian business delegation to bolster economic ties. Additionally, PM Modi plans to address the Indian community before concluding his visit.
We are standing in oldest democracy of the world, and we are celebrating the largest democracy of the world, which is India. What makes India so special and is the democracy, the right of religion, right of freedom, right of speech. That makes what India is all about. So we are celebrating the diversity within India. हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सब हैं भाई भाई, ये है हमारा इंडिया। I come from a Muslim background, and India has always been, Muslims have resided peacefully in India since ages, and as far as the secular fabric of the country goes, हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सब हैं भाई भाई। इंडिया में आज सब मैक्सिमम पॉपुलेशन इंडिया में आज मुस्लिम्स की है, compared to the next largest population of Muslims in any other country is Indonesia. So India provides what no other country provides, and that is why we all say सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा। मज़हब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना, हिंदी हैं हम, हल वतन है हिंदुस्तान हमारा।
The Prime Minister attended a dinner hosted by Chancellor Nehammer and is anticipated to delve into key issues with Austrian leadership to strengthen bilateral relations.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.